Hello students, welcome to today's lesson on taiga or boreal forests. In this lesson, we will study the geographical location, climate, flora, and fauna of these biomes. Taiga or boreal, or sometimes we call it coniferous forests, are the largest biome in the world that stretches in the northern regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. These biomes are covered by dense evergreen trees throughout the year. The climate in the taiga biomes are extremely cold and has two seasons, the winter season and summer season. Winter season is very long and harsh with temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. In contrary, summer season is short and has temperatures that range from negative 60 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Taiga biomes are dry regions since the water remains frozen and unavailable to plants for most of the year. Since the spring and autumn, in which the water remains less frozen, are short, and the two main seasons, the winter and summer season, in which the water remains most frozen, are longer. The taiga biomes do not have as many plants and animals as compared with tropical and deciduous forests. This is because taiga biomes have extremely harsh conditions. In this case, not many plants survive this extreme cold of the taiga winter and the thin acidic conditions of the soil. In this case, coniferous needle-like leaf plants like pine trees, ferns, and junipers flourish in this environment because these plants have special adaptations that make them suited to the environment. These adaptational characters are they are thin-lipped, they grow close together, their cone shape allows snow to fall off easily, which prevents their branches from breaking off. Plants in taiga or boreal forests do not lose their leaves in winter season to prevent water loss like deciduous forests because leaves of coniferous plants have waxy coating and needle-like shapes that can prevent or reduce water loss during the winter season. As we mentioned before, few animal species live in taiga due to the extreme conditions or extremely harsh environmental conditions. To survive in these harsh biomes, animals have different adaptational characteristics that include thick winter coat, migrating, burrowing, and hibernation are the main characters to survive or cope up within this harsh condition. Animals that are adapted in these biomes include finches, squirrel, elk, mouse, musk ox, deer, wolves, grizzly bear, and various insects.